Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the Glam and Grid. Today we are diving into a fresh and glowy skin-like base routine, perfect for those days when you want that effortless, natural radiance. Think lightweight, breathable and dewy without looking greasy. Ready to glow from within? Let's get into it. A flawless base starts with skin prep. I am using a hydrating toner to refresh my skin, followed by a lightweight gel moisturizer, nothing too heavy. And don't skip SPF. I am applying a dewy finish sunscreen that acts like a glowy primer. This keeps your skin protected and luminous. Let everything sink in for a minute. Hydrated skin grips makeup better and gives you that fresh, lit, from within glow. Now that our canvas is prepped, let's move on to the fun part, creating that skin-like base. For that, your skin, but better look. I am mixing a skin tint with 1 drop of liquid highlighter. Applying it with fingers first, then blending it in with a damp sponge for a seamless second skin finish. You want to even out, not cover up. Let your freckles and skin texture shine through. That's the magic of a skin-like base. Focus on blending around the jawline and hairline to avoid any harsh lines. If you prefer a little more coverage, you can always build it up in thin layers. The goal here is radiant, breathable skin that moves with you, not a heavy mask. Next, spot conceal just where needed. Under the eyes, around the nose, maybe a blemish. Use a creamy hydrating formula and tap it in with your ring finger. Then comes the glow. I am adding a cream highlighter to the tops of my cheekbones, bridge of the nose and a dab on the eyelids for that fresh, awake vibe. Blend everything in gently so it melts into the skin, not just sits on top. You want the light to hit your features naturally without looking too done. This step really brings your skin to life, soft, radiant, and effortlessly fresh. If you are feeling extra, add a touch to your cupid's bow and inner corners of your eyes. Cream products keep the look seamless and skin-like. No harsh edges, just glow. We are layering light, not heaviness. That is the secret to looking naturally luminous. It is all about enhancing what is already there, not hiding it. Your skin, just with a little more light, love and glow. If you are dewy, not oily, powder lightly. Just the T-zone and under the eyes, using a finely milled translucent powder. I am avoiding the cheeks to keep that glow alive. Want more dew? Our facial mist is your best friend. One spritz and you are glass skin ready. It melts all the layers together for a natural skin-like finish. Plus, it gives you that fresh, just stepped out of a spa vibe. To open up the eyes, I am adding a coat of lengthening mascara. Nothing too dramatic, just soft definition. It lifts the lashes and instantly makes you look more awake. Wiggle it from the roots to really enhance that fluttery effect. And for the lips, I am using a tinted balm or sheer gloss to keep everything looking juicy and effortless. Minimal steps, maximum glow, that is the vibe we are going for. It ties the whole look together without overpowering that fresh faced feel. And that's it, a breathable, radiant, skin-like base that looks and feels like you. Perfect for everyday wear or as a base for bolder makeup looks. If you loved this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below with your go-to dewy products. Let me know if you want a full routine with blush, brows or lips next. Your support means everything. It helps this little glow-loving community grow. Until next time, Keep shining and showing up as your most radiant self.